Hello, this is Mr. Bridge Law from Fujian Xinhong Mechan Electro Limited. I'm so glad to be here because now we have a brand new high press machine to order you guys. You can focus on here, not only from the structure but also for the appearance. It is really looks nice compared to the market models, correct? If you think so, you can subscribe our YouTube channel and to follow us for the following days. We may have another models come to all of you. Okay, so next I will introduce the uh, cameras machine to all of you guys now. So firstly, from the appearance, you will find here, we don't have any the welding bolts on this machine because we bring in the different kind of the models for the structures into it, so it will touch much smooth compared to all of the market models. And secondly, we have designed this high press machine with a widely open angle, so all of the customers when operating the transfers, it will be much safer. Like this, the angles will maximum to 80 degree. I think it is the biggest angles compared to the models you met with ever. Okay, and secondly, because we have get a lot of the feedbacks from our customers or the potential customers, they request a top and bottom heated high press machine because for the some materials like the patches or something else, they will require for both bottom and top heated plate. So now we have bring in these technologies into this model to make each of the transfers on the caps to as perfect as we can. Okay, and another one is that you can focus on this heating mat. Uh, it not only can heat up, but also it is very uh, widely range to the caps like this. It's a basic cap type, and we can put here. You can find here not only the main surface but also for the side. We can transfer it on this happiness machine. So from the usage range, it is really widely to all of you guys. Okay, and another one is that the display. We have bring in a new type of the display into this machine because each of the heat transfer requires for the three timers transfer. Like the first one is for the preheat to make the materials as smooth as it can, and the second one is the heat transfer to make the transfer, and the third one is for the reinforce because we need to we need to make sure the patches or the vinyls can be sticky to the materials as strong as it can. Okay, so this is the main 4 points advantages of this high press machine. And so now I will show you how to operate this machine. So firstly, we have prepared one caps like this, and we can put it inside the heating mat. And use the support rod to fix it on the right position. Okay, and we first to make it preheat about 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds you will open by automatically like this, and then we can put the designs or the patches on it like this, and then press it down for the heat transfer about 15 seconds. Okay, and after this one we have to make it again about 5 seconds to reinforce about this transfer. Okay, then we lose this uh, support rod and put these caps here. You will find here not any creases and looks really nice.